Hey you guys, it's your girl Lovely Kiki 1000 and I am doing a shrimp mukbang video. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, do all of that. So let's get into this video. So today I have some shrimp, corn, potatoes, and I have some sausage. This is the potato right here. So yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all what's been going on in my life. So I've been working at Goodwill for 7 months now, and I like it. And I recover the sales floor. I help out at the jewelry counter sometimes, and I just, do some work over there. Yep. And like, yeah, I get stressed out sometimes, but like, I don't let that stop me from like doing my job and stuff. Cause I really want this job. And I like some of my coworkers. And yeah. And y'all, I will be starting a charm bracelet business later on this year. It's coming soon. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Yeah. And I had ordered this like earlier today. It's just so spicy. Like, this is Cajun, y'all. And you're gonna need some water for this. Like, for real. You need some water. I don't know about you, but yeah, you're gonna need some water. And like me, like, I don't even eat spicy food like that. Well, like one time, I had got lemon pepper, and like, it was okay, but like, I wanted to taste some seasoning. Like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I feel like the lemon pepper wasn't really all that. Like, but yeah, I will be starting a charm bracelet business later on this year. It's gonna be the expandable charm bracelets. It's gonna be some jewelry for y'all, and I'm gonna be selling it for $6. So if y'all want a charm bracelet, just let me know. So y'all, this stuff is spicy. Can't do it. It's spicy. And my mouth burning. Yep. Sometimes I don't even like order food all the time. And like, I be trying not to spend so much. Cause y'all, this stuff came up to like $23. But I'm not mad. Cause it's my day off. And I deserve to eat some seafood. Period. Yeah. So I like springtime. I don't like it when it's real hot. I don't like it when it's cold. Man, this stuff is spicy. like to spend time with my family. I did play the piano for 8 years. And sorry y'all, this stuff is spicy. I'm not gonna say that I didn't like it. It's just something that I didn't want to do. Like, can't even talk. But I want to do something that I want to do, which is making YouTube videos for y'all. And just making charm bracelets. I want to do fashion. And I've always wanted to make a jean purse. But like, I never really have time to do it. Cause my work schedule. This stuff is spicy. I need some water. Always have water. Especially when something is really spicy. Yeah. You need water in your life. Okay. And I'm gonna try to do videos for y'all on my off days. Cause if I do it and I have to go to work the next day or so, I'm not gonna have time to do it. Cause I'm gonna be rushing it and stuff. Yeah. But I am 19 years old. My favorite TV shows is Big Time Rush. I love Big Time Rush. Like at first, I'm not gonna lie. When I was a kid, I didn't like that show. I don't know why. But like, as I got older, I started to like it. And now I be watching it on Netflix all the time. And I like to watch Victorious. And I like to watch Medea. I love Medea. She is funny. She is hilarious. The way she be cussing at those at them people. Oh, that'd be funny. This stuff is spicy. But it's good though. It's really good. Yeah, at first I didn't really like the sausage, but now I like it. That's crazy, right? I'm sorry, I'm not talking that much, y'all. It's just that this food is really spicy. And the people that know me, I don't eat spicy food like that. Y'all know I don't eat spicy food. Especially not like this, Cajun. But if y'all like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe. And and I will upload a video tomorrow. I'm not gonna tell y'all when it is. I want it to be a surprise. But yeah, subscribe. Do all of that. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye, y'all.